Hey, that's it. This is Oyakodon. How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. I'm sorry I haven't made my video for a long time because I have new family. Come here. Then his name is Yamato Kujiura, my first son. Say hi to everyone over the world. I'm gonna make my video with him sometimes, so please looking forward to that. Okay, today's video is let's make Japanese food. And let me show you 5 essential Japanese seasonings. If you have these Japanese seasonings at home, you can make Japanese food easy and quick. Okay, let me show you 5 Japanese seasonings. Soy sauce, miso, mirin, sake, dashi, fish stock. First one is soy sauce. The most famous brand of soy sauce is Kikkoman. There are 3 kinds of soy sauce: regular soy sauce, light color soy sauce, and tamari soy sauce. First, regular soy sauce, it's called koikuchi soy sauce. If you don't have any soy sauce, I recommend to get this regular soy sauce because it's most useful soy sauce and well balanced flavor and taste. Okay, second one is light color soy sauce. It's called usukuchi soy sauce. This soy sauce is a bit salty and less color. It's good for Japanese soup. Next one is tamari soy sauce. Tamari soy sauce is well known for gluten-free soy sauce. This tamari soy sauce is a bit sweet and thick taste, and it's good for sashimi. Okay, second one is miso. And nowadays, everyone knows miso as a super healthy food. I want many people make miso soup in the morning, especially parents. If you have kids, please make miso soup in the morning for them. It's very healthy. There are many kinds of miso, but basically we use red miso and white miso. Both of miso is good for miso soup. Red miso is more strong taste and flavor, and it's good for making sauce. White miso is good for marinated fish or meat. If you are confused what kind of miso, you should get it, and I recommend red miso. And third one is mirin. Mirin is rice wine. Mirin is natural sweetness, and we use mirin instead of sugar sometimes. And next one is cooking sake. What's the difference of cooking sake and drinking sake? Cooking sake is unpleasant taste and bit sour, so it's not good for drinking sake. It's bad taste. The sake removes bad smell of the fish or meat. It makes it delicious. And last one, Japanese fish stock. It's called dashi. And this dashi is very important for Japanese soup. Most of Japanese soup is use this dashi. If you have fish stock, you can make it Japanese soup very easy. So these 5 Japanese seasonings is very important for making Japanese food. If you buy 5 these seasonings, just only $20 or $30. It's very cheap. You don't need to keep this one in fridge, just dark and cool place. This is extra one. I recommend to get mentsuyu. This mentsuyu is very useful product. This mentsuyu is noodle soup base. If you want to make soba, udon, oyakodon, katsudon, and other Japanese soup, you can use this mentsuyu and very easy. And this mentsuyu has dashi, Japanese stock, soy sauce, mirin, sake, and well balanced. And also I'm gonna make video how to use mentsuyu for making Japanese food. Okay, this is 5 essential Japanese seasonings and 1 extra mentsuyu. After watching this video, please get these 5 Japanese seasonings at home. You can make Japanese food anytime. If you have a request, please give me a comment, and if you like this video, please push good button and subscribe my channel, please. Thank you for watching today. See you in another video. Bye! Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。